Okay guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay guys, my name is Muhammad Rozi and you can call me Rozi. Now I will tell you about this program. Okay, this program is amazing program because we learn by practicing here and we learn with 4 tutors and they are amazing tutors. And about the students, they are great and they will practice their English while speaking like this and amazing. Sinah.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jl.Raya. I come from Mantingan. I will give some suggestion for the students here, and also I will give some comment in this program. I think this program is good for students or for member of this course, and my suggestion for the students, for them, don't be afraid to your teacher, and also don't be shy to your English teacher, because in a class we are same, not teacher and students, but we are friends, so we can learn together like that. Thank you.
Okay, because here there are many students.
Yeah?
What do you think of them, or which one of them? Say something, please.
I don't know. Enough, sir.
Okay, they are good students. Thank you. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I think I will give some comment about this program. I think it's a good program because there are a few mentors. I mean, there are 4 mentors to handle some students. I think that's a good program because every mentors have different style of teaching, so that is the unique of this program. And I think that it will make the students more have energy, more understanding, more have attention to their mentors, and about the students, I think they are good listeners and they are good person, but they need more practice. They need more time to know more about English, and they have to study English hard more and more.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Taufikur Rahman. You can call me Taufik. I am thank you in mentor. You in studying in U.E.C. Yeah. Thank you.
What is your mentor?
Mr. Abbas,
And
Mr. Rozi, and Miss Puji, and Miss Dotul.
okay. And what about you?
My name is Muhammad Ustawan. You can call me Agus. In my opinion, learning.
Where are you from, Mas Agus?
I from Sukosono. My opinion on learning program in U.E.C. I very excited and I
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Magfiratul Saada. You can call me Firo. I'm from Sukosono. Learning at U.E.C. really enjoy and fun. I will definitely miss learning from Mr. Rozi, Mr. Abbas, Mr. Ali, Miss Puji, Miss Dotul. Tentor is very good. Punctually fetching incompetent in English. And I got some new experience from this program. I am sorry, will teachers often can. Thank you.
Okay. And then the next, what about you?
Hello, my name is Kata. You can call me Ida. In my opinion, tadi aku lupa.
Okay, continue.
In my opinion, this program is very fun, and I can meet with some friends who are very kind, very fun, and I can meet with some mentor who are very kind, very patient, and very fun. I think I think I think the learning that Tentor brought was very fun, and some Tentor have different style in their class, and I'm very excited for following this program, and I got some new experience in this program. Thank you.
Don't forget to say thank you so much to your tentar.
Okay, thank you so much for my
My beloved tentar. Yeah.
Thank you.